In this video, we'll try to find out if there are any duplicates, and if there are, then we'll try to find out the count. In real world, in case if you have say sales transactions or any other transactions, you want to find out if there are any duplicates, and if you have, then you want to count them. It could be duplicate invoices, duplicate customers, or whatever. So I think I thought this example would kind of give you an idea to how to go about in a real world situation. So as you can see, we have total calories and total steps. So we would first try to find out if there are any duplicates. So like always, we'll try to go to DAX query view and we'll start typing our code. So what we need to do is we need to find out what are the duplicates, right? So we will try to use summarize. Summarize expects table and also a group by column. The table we already know, it's our Fitbit steps dataset. And we want to find out if there are duplicates in the total steps. So that would be the group by column. And once we have that, then we can, next is we have to give a name, right? So we will try to give appropriate name as number of duplicates. Once we have this part, we have a summarize table and also group by column and the name. Next logical thing is we will try to count the total steps. So let us try to close the parenthesis and see, run it. And as you can see, we have duplicates. So it is more than one, right? 2 and 3, we can see straight away. So next is we will try to use the filter function. Filter expects a table. And we will try to give the condition as a number of duplicates greater than 1. So that way we have the count. It is filtered by if there are more than 1, it will show up. So as you can see, number of duplicates are 2 and 3. Next thing is we need to count them, right? That is exactly what we thought. We want to find if there are any duplicates, and second step is we want to count them. We will try to use the iterator function countx, and once we run this particular code, then it should be easy for us to calculate. So we see this is not a table, so we'll give the table constructor, and we see that the 82, there are 82 values there. So next is we can create a measure, copy this code here. So let us try to create a measure and let us name it appropriately as number of duplicates. So let us copy the code which we have copied from DAX query and make sure that it is formatted, and let us commit to it. Once we commit, we have the number of duplicates. And also let us try to go back to our Fitbit steps dataset and let us try to create a calculated column. So here we want to count the number of duplicates. So name is count of duplicate steps, and we will try to use count rows function. Count rows function expects a table, but we will try to use filter here. Filter also expects a table and an expression. The expression in this case for the filter is that we want to use the earlier function, and earlier function is equal to the total steps. So if this is matched, then those values are counted. So you can pause the video and look at the code again, and it's a pretty straightforward code. And let us try to format it and commit to it. Once we commit, we have a new column, calculated column. As you can see, if there are any duplicates, it is counting them. Let us try to filter them and see. As you can see, these particular total steps, there are 3. That is exactly what it says. We'll try to select one particular value for the total steps, 8143. You have on different dates, these are the total steps. I think so far it is cool. We have calculated all those things in DAX query view, and we have also used that code and created a measure. Next is simple thing is that we have to create a report page. I've already done that, and the report page has many visuals here. There is a slicer up top, and also there is a table visual, and also step slicer, and also there is as you can see, these are the values which I have passed to them: date, total steps, and count of duplicates, which are coming from the respective columns, tables rather. And I've also used the area chart here. The x-axis is the date, which is coming from calendar table. Y-axis is total steps, and legend is count of duplicates. So you can pause the video and look at it. I just wanted to save time, so that is what exactly I've done. And also I've applied a page filter. I made sure that more than one duplicate are shown, so I've used that filter condition. And I've also used a custom visual, play axis. You can go to app source and try to download it. So if you can select values on the slicer. Say for example 2, the step slicer also will be filtered, obviously, because in Power BI all the visuals are interactive, and you can play around with it. And I think this looks cool, and we have already known what are the duplicates, and also we have counted them. And if you use the play access button, it will run by the month. Every month also it will show what are the duplicates. I think this is a cool thing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.